These torque wrenches are expensive, and then they have different heads to change. And these things are like, depending on the brand, can be $28 to $58 just for one open end size. And so I don't have the 6mm. And so if I run across a million repeated at 6mm, one thing to note is you can just use a dime to make up the difference. So this is 8mm, and this dime will open this 7mm million repeated. And so just keep that in mind. If I had free hands, I could do this, but I'm holding the camera. So let me try this for you so you can see it firsthand. We'll try it one-handed. I'm going to put it down for a second. I'll show you what I mean. But there you go, there's the dime. This is 8. But anyhow, you get the gist of it.